You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary in English, stay tuned. Many more confusing words for you at the end of this video. Top word here is the noun rhetoric. Rhetoric. That's British English pronunciation. The Americans pronounce it as rhetoric with a flap T, so a T that sounds like a D. Rhetoric or rhetoric. Now the corresponding adjective is pronounced rhetorical. Rhetorical. So don't worry about the TH, it's not a th sound. It's pronounced as rhetorical. Rhetoric, rhetoric, or versus rhetorical. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.